In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on a blank slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. This will be particularly useful if you're looking to add custom content to your presentations, such as notes, instructions, or any information that enhances your presentation's narrative. With these clear, easy to follow steps, you'll be up and running in no time. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem straightforward, but it's always a good reminder to make sure you're in the right software before diving into any task. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll want to navigate to your existing PowerPoint presentation. If you haven't already created one, you can always start a new presentation. However, for today's purpose, let's assume you are working on an existing project. Once you are inside your PowerPoint presentation, direct your attention to the top of the screen where the menu bar is located. Here you'll find various tabs with different functionalities that PowerPoint offers. For our purpose today, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is your go-to destination whenever you're looking to add new elements to your slides like pictures, charts, or text boxes, which is what we're going to focus on. After selecting the Insert tab, you'll see a range of options laid out in front of you. Among these options, we're interested in text box. Text boxes are a versatile feature in PowerPoint that allow you to add and format text exactly where you want it on your slide. Click on the text box option. You'll notice that your cursor changes, indicating that you're now ready to add a text box to your slide. Now it's time to apply this tool to your blank slide. Click directly on the slide where you wish to add your text. Don't worry if your first click isn't perfect, you can always move and adjust the text box later. Once you've clicked, you'll see an outline of your text box. Start typing the content you wish to include. This might be a title for your slide, bullet points for a talking point, or anything else you need. Remember, you can further customize the text by using PowerPoint's formatting options, such as changing fonts, colors, and sizes, which are all available in the Home tab. This adds a layer of personalization and helps keep your slides engaging and visually appealing. By following these steps, you're now capable of adding text to any blank slide within your presentation, allowing for greater customization and clarity in your PowerPoint presentations. This skill ensures your slides not only communicate the required information, but do so in a visually engaging manner. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.